Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we continue working on the wrap dress. Last time I showed you how to cut it, and today I'll show you how to take it, and then Ira will try it on. I'm taking the bodice now. First of all, make space and seams on the center front. I will do the same thing in the skirt, it's a must. After that, I'll tack the chest darts and the side details. Have a close look at the dart. I fold it, and then start tacking. Now that the chest dart is tacked, the side and the center detail should match. Let's join them to see if it's true. Ira can't wait to try the dress on. I started sewing a dress for her without even telling her. It was a surprise. You can see that the details match. It's not hard to tack a garment if it was cut accurately. I've actually already shown you how to make wrap dresses. Watch the videos if you haven't done it yet. I like such design. I'd like to tack the seam to one of the sides to make it flat at the fitting. It's better not to press the seams before the first fitting. Just tack them. Have a look at this part of the bodice. It's neat. I'll tack the other side off the camera. Have a look here. I've also tacked the pocket back details. Next, I need to tack the pockets to the skirt. You need to stitch the two details face to face, then turn them face up and tack the seam. In this case, I'll just tack them to show them to you the fitting. Have a look here. Next, I need to tack this part. Be very attentive, please. Next, I'm going to tack the bodice and the skirt. The details correspond to the sketch. Be very accurate when joining the details. The edges of the button stand, the center front of the skirt at the bodice, the princess seams, the pocket opening. Everything should match. I told you what to pay attention to when cutting the dress. And now I'm telling you what to pay attention to when taking it. I can't wait to show you the result. I will tack the second half of the dress, the shoulder and the side seams of the camera. You already know how to do it. If you work accurately, you will avoid making mistakes, and you will enjoy the process. It's not hard to sew a garment when you know how to do it. I do not have any books on how to fix the mistakes. You know why? I don't make them. Have a look at the tacked half of the dress. Next, I'll tack the second half of the camera. Have a look at the tack details. The dress is almost ready. I haven't tacked the shoulder seams yet. I want you to have a close look at the armhole before you start taking the shoulder seams. I'd like to correct mine a bit. Watch what I'm doing. I want to make it more round. The armhole should be neat and beautiful. Next, I'll join the two armholes together and cut the extra pieces from the both of them. When I tack the shoulder and the side seams, Ira will try the dress on. Do not ever tack the shoulder seams before making sure that the armholes are perfect. It's a must. It's also a must to cut the extra pieces from the both details together. Be very attentive, please. I'm cutting the extra piece from the armholes. I want them to be perfect. Have a look at the result. The armholes are more round now. I need to fix the ends of the side seams because I've cut them. I can tack the shoulder seams now. You can see that the shoulders match perfectly. I'll tack the other side the same way. Have a look at Ira. Ira is wearing the dress. We didn't make the sleeves. You can make the sleeves of any length and shape you want. Make them short or long, or even 3/4. Have a close look at the waist seam. I've told you to be careful and add 3 cm to the lower edge to have an opportunity to ease it. You can see that the waistline is a bit high. So we need to extend the width of the bodice by 2.5 cm. And by doing so, we'll drop the waistlines. It will be a no problem for Ira to do it, because I've added 3 cm here when cutting. The other seams are perfect. The waistline on the back will be dropped as well. When it's done, the skirt will fit Ira better. The dress is very nice. You can make 3/4 sleeves and sew a jacket dress. The pockets will also be dropped a bit. They are very comfortable. We were glad to show you how to make this dress. I hope that you find this video useful. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Irina Paukshte and Ira. Buy our courses, subscribe to this channel, write comments, share the videos, press like and the bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.